Hey, what's up guys? Peter Pinto back here with my first video actually. Today we did duos with my buddy and me, and in today's game I used the Ram 7, which absolutely shreds. I got the Monolith Expressor, FSS Ranger, whatever optic you want, doesn't really matter. I just prefer the Gem Mini Reflex because I can see better out of it. I have the Commando foregrip and the 50 round mag, and then I used the dual akimbo for netties. It was a super good gameplay. Just starting off slow with the channel, just trying to get that first video out of the way. So yeah. Alright, without further ado, enjoy the gameplay.
Holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. Mark a drop point for your team.
I need to get sweaty, my hands are like super dry.
Yeah, we just started sweating. Hangars again.
Yeah.
We go there, go to the search.
I'm gonna drop on it. Oh, I saw you actually.
Supply box marked.
We got mad people. Kind of.
Your primary
Generally,
objective is to kill them all.
I'm booking it today.
Cool.
Nice.
Next objective located.
They're all in the other hangar. Like not. Oh, there's a guy in the search hangar.
I'm coming.
Down to one. Oh my God! What the hell?
Accomplished. All supply boxes
That guy. I don't even know how he hit me.
Wait, where's the other one?
He's in the hangar, and then there's guys to the right. I don't know if he's getting rezzed. I got my kill.
I see.
Crack that guy.
Yeah, I'm pushing around. Heartbeat. Oh, he's moving. He's booking it. Bro, I'm lagging. What?
Grenade launcher.
It's a fat lag spike.
Dang.
Did you get him?
Yeah, he's dead. Do you need plates?
No, guy just landed
Yeah,
back
he
in
just landed
by the
back-
plane.
yeah.
So
I'm gonna pop my
like
UAV
over
once
there
we get
somewhere.
closer.
Yeah,
moving.
He's parachuting in.
at the buy. Yeah,
Moving.
Yeah,
I see the
get
guy
on
up top,
the
he
roof,
just
he
jumped down.
dropped up. Yep.
Affirmative.
he just yeah.
Moving here.
Yeah, a lot of fighting going on.
I just saw him.
Oh yeah, up top.
On the
Down
floor
one.
two, on the floor two. Down the other. They have a key card, by the way. Oh wait, that wasn't the kid.
Was that a
wasn't the
team wipe?
kid. Wait, yeah, but did you get your kill?
No, I didn't.
He's still out here, yeah.
Where is he?
In here.
11 meters to the left. Oh, from behind, like back from the opening of the hangar.
Oh my god.
Let's go! You scared?
Dude,
I was getting a little nervous.
I thought I was dead.
Not today. So we got there's one
Oh,
over
kid
here.
person up top. Cracked him? No way.
Yeah, one guy in here.
I'm taking fire.
Up top. Did he drop? I don't know where.
Not
Dude.
picking him up on the heartbeat.
Me neither. No way, what? Oh, man, he might be in a room.
Oh, guy dropping in right here.
I cracked him.
I think the other guy's in this one. I'm not sure. I thought I saw him. No, they're both in the far hangar, I believe. 43 meters.
I'll go. I got one.
Yeah, I think they're both in there. I think they're both in there.
Run on me. I was about to assassinate him, dude. He was hiding in the corner. Oh, he's parachuting.
Yeah, careful.
Just one.
There were guys like back here. I saw on the UAV.
Oh, there's kids
I'll
fighting
go.
below. Yeah, our grubber is in.
I'm gonna go for loadout.
We have kids fighting if we want to just like kinda go towards them. We camp this building.
Moving.
Pick up the bounty. Oh, we got zone coming in. Oh wait, no, we don't.
I downed one.
Nice. Getting up on the
Oh,
roof.
there's another one.
Careful. Where?
Right there. He's cracked. No way.
We're on orange.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Nice. Good shot.
Let's go, baby. We got 30 seconds.
Yeah, we gotta hurry up.
Till oh yeah, guy
Oh,
dropping
landing
in.
in. He's going for the loadout. He's cracked.
He's going loadout. Yep.
Yeah, he's cracked.
I'm gonna go a little left.
Get to the safe zone.
Going right on this.
How is he?
Oh, in here. Downed him.
Contact.
Nice. Pushing in.
Oh, por la ventana.
Oh,
Another guy landing in up top.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's probably coming down the ladder. Be careful.
He is down ladder, I think.
Nice. Our bounty's coming close.
Oh, yeah.
Sir.
I'm buying a
Closer.
UAV.
I see him.
Pop my UAV.
UAV entering the AO.
He's jumping off. He just jumped off back.
Back, okay.
I only saw one.
Yeah, I'm only getting one on the UAV. We got another kid in storage.
Moving.
If we go to the top
Yeah.
of this, we'll have like a vantage point. Oh, 39 meters.
45 meters straight
Right in
ahead.
front of us,
Yep.
yeah. Oh, right down there.
Moving.
21. Yeah, he's coming close.
Oh, dude. Both down. Good self.
Target down. Relocated.
This kid's trying to self, dude.
Very good, very good.
Nice. Oh, car.
Oh, cover here.
Oh, on the roof. Like right above
Oh
us.
my god. Yep.
Bruh.
So I got 17 to the right. What?
Yeah, it's am I right? Back
Cracked
up
him.
if you need. I got one. I'm reshielding.
Oh, C4, watch out.
Yeah. I downed one.
I finished.
Nice. You want to both
20
shoot
meters
like
still. Yep.
that?
Nice.
Hostile.
Blue.
Stop.
Oh, I see him.
Okay. Okay.
Pause for a second.
Okay.
Just stop for 2 seconds, buddy. Oh, I whiffed.
Me too.
Oh my gosh.
Fuck.
Oh my
Let's just see
gosh.
where zone takes us in 10.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, bet.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Kid dropped
Oh,
it right
right above us.
Nice. Good job.
I wouldn't be surprised if people are just chilling in the hills.
Oh, I see him right there.
There's
Staying
the-
still.
Yep.
Two. We got a sniper.
Downed one.
Nice. Last is their sniper. I'm closer.
Yeah, I'm
striking
moving
it.
up a little bit.
Target mark. Send it.
I'm reshielding.
Nice.
Zero. Good copy.
Should be dead. Yeah, I downed one. Cracked the other's armor. Down two. I downed two. They have self.
Oh, they must have self.
I got the one kill. One more up.
Yeah, I see one.
Ping
Bear
it.
man. Right on blue.
Oh, I see it.
Be careful. Left side. He's coming around right. Coming around right. I can't see him. Be careful. You're making a run. Nice. Tag the guy. Tag the guy up top. Cracked him. Team wipe. Let's go.
Nice, dude. Nice shots.
Let's go.
Right.
And we got a guy diving in from above.
Okay. Yeah, we're chilling
Why
right
can't
here.
attack?
He's dropping on loadout, right?
Where the hell did he? He died. He fell. He fell too. He didn't pull his parachute.
Nice. That's solid. I'll take it.
Idiot.
Buddy.
Another guy landing in.
Yeah, I see him.
That's Bearman.
Bear man, dude.
Downed him.
Nice shot.
Put a shot into him. Finished.
Nice. I'm gonna try and get in a police station.
I don't know if that was the same guy, but yeah, hard beat it for you. I got no beats.
On the
Get it, get it.
Close everything.
They're from behind.
Yeah. Alright, everyone else can be out in the open.
Enemy UAV overhead.
We're chilling right now.
Oh yeah. So back left of police
Yeah.
station.
Enemy U
Died.
Oh, I think he just got killed by guys on loadout. Loadout. Oh my god, I missed. He's jumped down. He jumped down.
Yeah, he's like in police. He's gonna have to push towards us.
Yes, he is. And we got guys over here.
Where's no? Okay. I see a kid right there. He's gotta push in close.
He's gonna have to come out. Oh, to the right, to the right.
Coming out the door. Where?
Right at garbage, right at garbage.
Oh yeah, I see him. I'm just holding on.
Oh, and to the left.
I'm holding guard.
Cracked one behind this this building right here.
Okay.
I need to heal up. It's solos and us.
Garbage, still garbage.
moving.
Oh my gosh, he downed me. I'm crawling back. I'm selfing.
I tagged him twice? What? There's still a guy right beside us in here.
Moving here.
They're gonna be pushed towards us, but we also gotta leave.
We're fine.
He's coming in. He's coming in.
Yeah. He's right outside. Oh,
Looks on your side today.
see the kid behind us?
UAV overhead.
Nobody on the UAV. Oh, people straight ahead on the road.
See him. Is the kid behind us? Yeah, last one in the front.
He was on road, but he's probably moving.
Yeah, he has a sniper. Play this one together.
Let's to the right.
Yeah,
Game.
I'm coming.
Nah, he's down.
Hey,
GG.
let's get it, baby.
Let's go.
Let's
Let's go. Very good game. It's about time.
Alright, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, let's go. 23.
It's not bad.
Very well played.